Så døgnet lander i Toronto. Så när man kommer fram till JJ's house, he just took a leak. Now you're not blurry.
Cool. Yeah, man, fucking, I mean, there's not much to see. Got a gong. Yeah, no.
It's like a proper musician's place.
Yeah, it totally is. We're going to a place called Cabin Fever. It's a pinball bar, local bar with some craft beers and about 12 or 13 pinball machines. So, yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, it's a good hangout spot. I actually go there for league nights for pinball.
You have league nights?
We have league nights. I'm not, yeah, but I joined the league a couple times. And, yeah, Wednesday is league night. So, tonight's all you can play for $5 tonight, so it's a good night to go.
All right. So beer and pinball it is.
Yeah.
Kipling Station, Toronto. Förr möttes vi Wojtek från Niagara Falls.
We're off to see one of the wonders of the world right now. Niagara Falls.
What can we expect?
Lots of water. Very wet conditions. Nothing compared to Wacken though.
Yeah, or the Faroes.
I don't know. You might be in for a surprise.
Yeah, maybe.
We'll see. This is Tim Hortons. Very Canadian. Gonna order some doubles and some donuts, but we're actually not gonna order donuts. Just gonna get some coffee, a double, but not really. But maybe.
Tim Hortons. Me trying Canadian donut for the first time. It sounds so romantic.
Somber music. How was your donut for the first time?
So good.
Yeah, creamy.
Yeah. Yeah. So we're gonna go see the falls and gonna go into the downtown cartoony area that you saw just earlier. So if you're coming to the Niagara Falls, you should go on the Canada side, definitely, right?
Definitely, the US side is a little less spectacular, to say the least.
Yeah. Here you have a whole city of shit sea, and the American side is basically over there, and you can't really see all the falls. So if you're on the USA side, you're on Niagara Falls.
Just looking at what we have got, I guess. So it's like temptation.
Canada, Niagara Falls, USA, Niagara Falls.
Amazing feats.
This is like totally what's it called? Amusement park street.
At the Guinness World Records Museum.
I think we gotta go see them
for all ages. It's all here.
See some famous people.
For your eyes.
So where are we headed?
My favorite singer of all time, Taylor Swift.
Heading into the Wacken Museum. So you want to go to a haunted house?
Yeah, I guess so.
We saw one where they were kind of, you could pick what kind of
Levels?
scare, what level of scares you wanted to do. So I think we're going to go for that one.
So too, we're going for the brave or insane.
I feel brave. I don't feel that insane. But look at this place, man. Insane place. I think we're going for the brave one. Are you buying brave or insane?
Huh?
Are you buying brave or
brave,
insane?
I think.
Oh, yeah, okay, good. So, how's the haunted house?
Kind of shitty.
I feel like the ghosts already left the house.
Yeah.
Did you get scared at all?
Startled once.
Yeah.
Startled once.
I got startled once, but that was because of Wojtek. I feel like the guy, he was on his break, and then we entered and he was like, fuck, and he kept missing his mark, you know, he's behind us.
That's right. Boom!
highlight of the day?
Well, the haunted house for sure.
It was. I'm more scared right now.
Stick to natural attractions and stay away from fucking kitschy tourist traps. I think that's the general consensus of it.
Yeah. That haunted house was not haunted anymore. So now we're walking back to the car. You hear the falls in the back fall, and yeah, heading back to Toronto.